Good morning to all of you. Myself Zafar Ahmed. Today I teach you economics in class 11th, chapter number 2, Central Problems of an Economy. Now we start video lecture number 8. In this video lecture, we discuss about production possibility curve. So, my topic is production possibility curve, PPC. Now let us start production possibility curve. A production possibility curve is a curve which shows the various alternative production possibilities of two goods that can be produced with given resources and techniques of production on the assumptions that there are mainly three assumptions of PPC. Assumption number first, resources are given. Assumption number second, given resources are fully and efficiently utilized. Assumption number third, technology remains constant. It is also known as production possibility boundary, PPB, production possibility frontier, PPF, and transformation curve or transformation line. So we present here a table of PPC. Goods production possibility: wheat lakh in tons, cloth 1000 bales. Now possibilities are A, B, C, D, E. In possibility A, wheat 100 and cloth 0. In possibility B, wheat 90 and cloth 1. In possibility C, wheat 70, cloths 2. In possibility D, wheat 40 and cloth 3. In possibility E, wheat 0 and cloth 4. So this is the table of PPC. This table is drawn on the following assumptions. Number first assumptions, resources are given. Number second assumptions, given resources are fully and efficiently utilized. Number third, technology remains constant. So with the table we present here a diagram of PPC. So according to table, wheat combination are decreased and cloth combination are increased. So let us a diagram. In y-axis present wheat shows decrease in the combination, and x-axis present cloth which shows present the combination increases. So cloth of combination increases present x-axis, and wheat combination present decreases y-axis. So table of possibility A, wheat 100 and cloth 0. So the combination of A, and combination of B, wheat 90 and cloths 1. Combination C, wheat 70 and cloths 2. Combination D, wheat 40 and cloth 3. Combination E, wheat 0 and cloth 4. So all the possibility of combination A, B, C, D. Draw a line ABCD. This line is also called PPC, Production Possibility Curve, or Production Possibility Boundary, PPB, or Production Possibility Frontier, PPF, or Transformation Curve, or Transformation Line. So the slope of PPC is concave. Now, in the above diagram, we explain the diagram. From the given schedule of diagram, it is clear that with given resources and techniques of production, the various combination of wheat and cloth that can be produced are A, B, C, D, and E. Any economy has to choose out of these various alternative production possibilities. From the given schedule, it is also clear that if production of one commodity is increased, then production of other commodity decreased. Now discuss about PPC curve with the diagram and table and explanation. Now we explain properties of production possibility curve. The production possibility curve has two basic properties. Point number one, property of number one of PPC. It is a down sloping curve from left to right. It is so because to increase our production of one good, we have to decrease our production of another. Because of this inverse relation, PPC is negative slope. Now, second property of PPC, the shape of the production possibility curve is concave. So, we can say that PPC curve is concave shape to the origin. It is so because the marginal opportunity cost tends to rise. Thank you.